Good morning students. In previous class we learn about primary memory and types of primary memory. Today we will learn secondary memory and types of secondary memory. Now you can see here it is secondary memory. Now what is secondary memory? We use this secondary memory to store data permanently. Secondary memory provides sufficient space to save data to us. Secondary memory is also called as auxiliary memory or external memory. There are various types of storage device is also called secondary memory, that is hard disk, CD, DVD, USB drive, pen drive, etc. Data stored in this device can only be used by a computer through its primary memory. The main aim of the data storage device is to store data permanently. Then advantages of data storage device is that large storage space. We can store large amount of data depending on its storage capacity in secondary memory. Easy transfer of data. We can easily be transfer data from one computer system to another. If you have any material, any audio in your pen drive, then you can transfer easily in the computer. Means easy transfer to data. Large storage space. In pen drive sufficient storage space is there depending on its storage capacity. Yes. Easy to change data. Next is the easy to change data. We can easily change and delete data in most data storage device like a pen drive. If any audio is there, any song is there, if you want to delete that song and add another song, you can do it. Here we will see now first secondary storage device. First is the hard disk. Hard disk is the secondary storage device. It is a hard disk. You can see here it is internal view of hard disk and it is the external view of hard disk. Hard disk is or hard drive is the most important secondary storage device. It is enclosed within the CPU box. If you will open your CPU box, you can see this hard disk. Hard disk of a computer contains all saved data and software used by the computer. Whatever software you are installing in computer, it will save in hard disk. Hard disk has large data storage capacity. It is having a large data storage capacity. The storage capacity of the hard disk range of 250 GB to first TB. GB means gigabyte and TB means terabyte. Means 250 GB to 1 terabyte. Like this capacity is there for hard disk. This much big capacity is there, that's why we can save any data in a computer. Some hard disks can also be attached externally to the computer to store additional data. Such hard disks are called external hard disks. Is it clear? This is the internal hard disk, and then whatever if you want to again to save data, we can add a external hard disk also we can attach to the computer. Next is the compact disk. You can see here it is a CD. It is a compact disk. A CD or compact disk is a commonly used storage device. It comes in various storage capacities. It can store up to 100 MB or 700 MB data. You can store here 700 MB data in a CD. 700 MB means 700 megabyte. MB means megabyte. You can see here 700 MB data you can store in one CD. It is very cost effective. CDs are three type of CDs there.